welcome back to my channel, The World of Arts, and today I'm going to be drawing a cute little cotton candy and I'm very excited. Let's go. So guys, the first thing we are going to be doing is making a triangle. So let's draw its cone. First I'm going to be drawing a triangle upside down. Like this. Like this. So guys, I have drawn my cone. It doesn't look very good, but I'm telling you the truth, it will look better. So I'm drawn the cone and now I'm going to be drawing the cotton candy. I'm going to be drawing kind of a cloud. Oh, I messed up. So then I have set it good and now I'm going to be drawing like this. Oh. And now like this. So guys, if you guys are thinking this looks a little bit weird, so at the end I'm going to like settle all the things. So now what I'm going to do is make it a little bit more rounder. So I'm going to be erasing this part and making it a little bit rounder. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. That was quick. So guys, I have made it erased this part and made it a little bit rounder, more rounder. The more rounded the cotton candy, the much better. Okay, so I have made it a little bit rounder, and now I'm going to make its little eyes. So it's like this. With the down part, and again take a big eye and make the down part, make the eyelashes, and then make this like this. And now guys, I'm going to be coloring this with a black pencil. Like this, and then like this, and then the other eye. Like this. And now guys, I'm taking and making some lines down like this. And now guys, I'm going to be taking this light blue glitter pen. It's from company Fruit Pineapple. I hope you can see it. First pineapple, okay. Now guys, I'm going to be coloring it. Like this. taking again a black pencil and doing the same like this. Again, I made my eyes, and now I'm going to make the nose like this, and then the smiley and like this. I'm going to be making the rest of the cone like this. And now I'm going to taking a yellow glitter pen and making this part yellow, and this part also yellow. Now we're taking a dark blue one and making this part blue, and I'm going to making this part also blue like this. And now I'm going to be coloring the whole cotton candy with pink. So now I'm going to taking some pink color. So guys, I have decided to paint this. So let's get started. First I'm going to take some water, putting this in some pink paint. Like this. Like this. Now I'm going to use some more paint. Like this. Like this. So guys, I have been doing this. Like this. I know it looks kind of weird, like this part is light and this part is a little bit darker. At the end I'm going to be making it all equal. Like this. This. Like this. I'm going to use some more of it. And painting every part. Like this. Now some more. So guys, I'm going to be putting some more water. this and take some more water. Like this. Like this, and take some more water. Like this. So guys, this is the cotton candy. Now I'm going to let it dry and I will come right back. So guys, this has been dry and I'm going to be outlining it. First the nose and then the mouth. Now I'm going to outlining the whole cotton candy. Like this. Like this. Now I need the corner. So guys, I have finished my cotton candy. It looks so cute. So guys, comment down below how do you think it looks, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and like my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.